Hey, Bill Vasey here. Thanks for watching this ISOWorx use case video. This one will demonstrate how ISOWorx integrates with AutoCAD PLANT 3D, and by simply clicking the ISO Create button, the production ISO processor will launch. After it's completed, ISOWorx will present the drawing files and associated workbooks to the users so they can be processed. One of those processes is just simply opening. After opening and closing, there may be use cases for propagating the drawing and output through stage gates, which will be covered in other videos. Let's get started on the ISO Create. On the Create tab, there is the big ISO Create button. Click that once and that launches the Plant 3D processor. You can select all of the pipe routes that are currently in your project and take advantage of all the controls Plant 3D has to offer. Once launched, there is an indicator in the lower right-hand corner that will display that Plant 3D is processing isometrics. ISOWorx is waiting for the isometric completion flag to show, and once that happens, ISOWorx returns the list of drawings to the palette. And those drawings are now easily accessible. A simple double click will open the drawing, and the drawings can be inspected for content. Next, the drawings can be moved or processed from the production folder to stage gates. So with a single click, all drawings can be transferred. But not only the drawings, all the companion files are transferred as well. And if the Excel workbook option is activated for BOMs and welds, all of the tables are updated as part of this transfer process. So a lot going on in the transfer or process of moving from production to work in progress. But they end up in a work in progress directory, the 2 folder, and that way they can be isolated for further processing. Next, click on the Stage Gate tab to display all the stage gates. There's 2 columns. The column on the left is the work in progress stage gates, and there can be up to 3, and on the right is the completed stage gate. It's here where you'll go to work and further process these drawings by updating attributes, on-off page connections, and propagate drawings and files through various stage gates, ultimately getting to the completed folder. We'll cover that in other videos, but hey, thanks for watching this ISO Create video and how it integrates with AutoCAD Plant 3D.